Hello there and welcome back to Learn or Labs. In this video, we'll be looking at area and perimeter. Let's start with perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a shape or an object. You can simply find the perimeter of a shape by adding all the sides. Pretty cool, eh? The unit of the sides is the unit of the perimeter. For example, if the side unit is centimeters, then the perimeter's unit will also be centimeters. Let's find the perimeter of the square. Square is a regular polygon, meaning all sides are equal. So if one side of a square is 2 centimeters, all the sides are 2 centimeters. So to find the perimeter of the shape, you need to add 2 4 times, or you can just multiply 2 by 4. So the answer would be 8 centimeters. So the perimeter of the shape is 8 centimeters. Now you take a guess on what's the perimeter of this rectangle. You got 5 seconds. You could pause the video if you want more time. So you add all the sides. That's how you find the perimeter. So in this case, you add 40 plus 10 plus 40 plus 10, which gives us 100. The simplest way to find the perimeter is just by adding all the sides. This works on every shape except a circle. So they developed formulas for each shape to how to find perimeter. Now let's look at this perimeter formula for a square. A square actually has 4 equal sides. So you can find the perimeter by just multiplying one side by 4. So for example, in this square, the side is 5 and there are 4 sides. So you multiply 5 by 4, which gives you 20 centimeters. Now let's take a look at the perimeter of a rectangle. So the formula for a rectangle is 2 times L plus W. You get this formula because when you're adding all the sides, you're just adding the length and the width twice. So for this rectangle, the perimeter would be 2 times 5 plus 10, which is 2 times 15, which is 30 centimeters. To find the perimeter of a parallelogram, the formula is 2 times base plus width. This is exactly as a rectangle, but instead of the length, it's used as base. And you get this formula because you're adding the side when you are adding all the sides, you're just adding the base and the width twice. For example, this parallelogram has a width of 6 centimeters and a base of 10 centimeters. So the perimeter would be 2 times 6 plus 10, which is 2 times 16, which is 32 centimeters. The formula to find the perimeter of the triangle is just adding all the sides. For example, this triangle's sides are 6, 6, and 10. So you add 6 plus 10, which gives you 22 centimeters. Now let's take a look at the perimeter of a circle. This is the most tricky and advanced to find the perimeter. So the formula is 2 pi r. So let's take an example. The radius of the circle is 3 centimeters. Pi is a constant, which is 22 by 7 or 3.14. So the perimeter is 2 pi r, which is 6.28 times 3, which is 18.84. So the perimeter of the circle is 18.84. A perimeter is the border of an object. Area is the space inside of an object. The formula to find the area of a rectangle is length times width. So I'll show an example. So this rectangle has a length of 10 and a width of 6. So the area would be 6 times 10, which is 60 centimeters square. So the area is 60 centimeters square. The formula to find the area of a square is side times side. So this square has a side of 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. So it's 36 centimeters. Let's see how to find the area of a parallelogram. The formula is h times b. So this parallelogram has a height of 6 centimeters and the base of 10 centimeters. So the area would be 6 times 10, which equals 60 centimeters squared. Now let's look at the area of a triangle. As the triangle is a half of a parallelogram, so the area is half of a parallelogram also. So the area is height times base divided by 2. So in this case, it's 6 times 10 divided by 2, which is 60 by 2, which is 30 centimeters square. The area of this triangle is 30 centimeters square. And I'm telling, circle is the hardest to find the area also. So the formula is pi r squared. So for this circle, the radius is 3 centimeters. So the area is pi r squared, which is 3.14 multiplied by 3 squared, which is 28.26. So the area is 28.26 centimeters squared. Let's take a quick recap on what we just read. Thank you all for watching this video. This is it for the area and perimeter video. We may be looking at volume and surface area in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share this video. Until then, bye bye.